What's on your mind? Can I read it from your eyes? Can we relate and make the time stand still? What if we stay? Pretend there's nothing else. What if we stay? What's on your mind? Can I read it from your eyes? Can we relate?